Hey creators, big TikTok news just dropped. And it's about hashtags. Guess what? TikTok is now limiting hashtags to just only 5. Get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 on it. I could go on, but I won't. Yep, 5. Not 10, not 20. Just 5 hashtags. So today I'm breaking down just what this means, what this update means to you, why TikTok is doing it, and maybe why you need to go ahead and adapt this, because most importantly, it's going to really affect you as a creator. So let's break this down. So exactly what has changed? Well, as of August 2025, TikTok rolled out a new limit. Every post can only have 5 hashtags. They didn't make some huge announcement. It just showed up and creators everywhere noticed it real quick. And honestly, people are split. Some creators are mad, I'd be too, because they think fewer hashtags means fewer views. But others see it as a chance to focus and cut down on all the hashtag clutter. Now, this isn't happening in a vacuum. Other platforms are doing the same thing. Instagram's been testing a 5 hashtag max. LinkedIn doesn't even push hashtags that hard anymore. X basically ignores them altogether. So TikTok is actually following a trend here. But why? Why would they do this? TikTok hasn't officially said this, but here's my take. They're trying to make hashtags more relevant. Think about it. When people spam 20 random hashtags like hashtag FYP, hashtag viral, hashtag funny, hashtag whatever, it's messy because it's noisy. It doesn't really help the algorithm understand what the video is really about. By limiting us to 5, TikTok creators can be intentional. Now, each hashtag has to pull its weight. It's quality over quantity. So what does this mean for you? It means your strategy needs to shift. Instead of stuffing your captions with every trending tag you can find, you need to think, which hashtags will help me get the right people to discover my video? And don't panic. This isn't the end of your reach. If anything, it's an opportunity to sharpen your targeting. Because remember, TikTok's algorithm is insanely powerful. If you give it the right signals, it will put your content in front of the right audience. All right, now, let's talk strategy. Here's how to win with just 5 hashtags. Step 1, do your research. Step 2, pick 1 or 2 broad trending hashtags. Now, these are the ones that are going to give you reach. They cast the wide net. Now for step 3, use the rest for niche specific hashtags. Now these are the tags that tell TikTok exactly who should see your content. Now think of them as your precision tools. Now for step 4, mix and match, test different combinations, and watch your analytics. And here's my favorite way to think about it. Hashtags are like spices in cooking. Too many and the dish is ruined. But the right 5, child, you got something going on. Now let's do an example. Now say you're posting a quick at-home workout video. Your 5 hashtags could look like this. Hashtag Fitness Friday for trending visibility. Hashtag HIIT Workout, also for trending but specific. Hashtag Beginner Fit to reach people just starting out. Hashtag Gluten Burn for the super niche and for targeted discovery, and hashtag Home Workout for relevant and relatable. See how that works? It's not random, but it's intentional. You've got a couple that are broad enough to pull in reach, but the rest are laser focused. So here's the bottom line. TikTok's new 5 hashtag limit isn't the end of the world. It's a new challenge. And reminder that social media is always changing, y'all. And the creators who adapted the fastest are the ones who win. So instead of stressing over the 5 hashtag limit, use it to your advantage. Curate, test, and adjust, and watch your content reach the right people who actually care and gonna watch your stuff. Now, I want to hear from you. How do you feel about this 5 hashtag limit? Drop your thoughts in the comments and maybe share some of your favorite hashtag combos so we all can learn from each other, because that's what it's all about, right? And hey, if you found this breakdown to be helpful, do me a favor. Y'all know what to do. Hit that button, subscribe, and follow for more tips to level up your creator game. All right, fam, that's it for today. Make those 5 hashtags count. See you in the next video.